Hey guys, welcome back. Today again with Jacob. We're up on the Mt.Bachelor trip with the WSU. He's got some skis on again. I'm wrecking my board. We're on the Little Pine lift. This is our second time up. Let's see if Jacob just doesn't fall this time.
Yeah, I'm still pretty bad.
We'll probably take one little look at this slope, and then I'll head down on some of the other stuff. All right, stay tuned. So we're up the top. I'm gonna follow him, see how he does on this run. Oh, he's doing pretty good actually. You were doing good.
I got an edge, like really bad. That was good.
All right, he's going. He got back up from his fall. All right, good job. That was only one fall. He's doing pretty good. So we'll pick up a little later on Blue. I'll probably be by myself today. They might see some stuff from tomorrow. All right, third run on whatever this is, Little Pine lift. See if you can go without crashing. All right, that was pretty good. First run, not falling. All right, we'll see you guys probably on a Blue up there sometime later. All right, guys, I'm out here with Sydney and Eunice. We're up at about midway through Skyline or Clifton. We're heading down towards Buck. You okay, Eunice? I think I might have gotten that on camera. All right, I'll meet you down there. What? Oh, skidded out a little bit. Okay. Gonna film them. All right, and then I'll get up and go. Keep going, you guys, keep going.
Whoa!
Whoa, that was close. You coming down? Nest right out front and sitting right here. Oh! Skid it out a little bit. You alright? There's your nest down there. Towards the bottom of the Olympia. Alright, so that'll probably be it for now, and then I'll head back up with Jacob a little later, guys. Jacob just got off the lift. He's coming down. He's doing alright today. This is his first blue that he went through. It's kind of really icy up here. Keep going. Going straight. Oh, man. Okay, just keep going straight. And then up there, go to the right. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll film a little bit up down there, and then I'll follow you. Are you all right? This is starting to get softer, so I don't think anybody really rode on that one. Keep going. This is about the same as what you're doing. What? It's a little icy. Stay in this main channel. All right, we'll continue down. Alrighty, he's up and going. Dude, this right here is like the same as the green. Come on, bruh. All right, we're gonna go down Olympian. What the hell happened? All right, well, that's about it for his first run, so we're gonna continue on a little later. We'll see you at lunch. All right, guys, so we're back in the hotel room. We're staying at the Premier Best Western down here in Bend. Yeah. It was a pretty long day of skiing and snowboarding, and we just swam in the pool and went in the hot tub for like an hour and a half, something like that. So
tomorrow we'll have footage for Friday. So
this will come out Monday, and then we'll have some more footage. I might be with my brother for that on Friday.
So check in on Friday for more Mt.Bachelor content.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.